Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have a news, and our news is about internet in Kashmir. Internet in Kashmir. On Wednesday, Indian authorities temporarily restored full internet access in Kashmir. 7 months ago, India cancelled Kashmir's status as a semi-autonomous state and locked down the region. People will have internet services until March 17. Indian authorities did not explain the time limit. However, they described this move as a step toward a normal state in Kashmir. In August 2019, India's government withdrew Kashmir's special rights as the only Muslim-majority state, and it started to heavily restrict the movement of Kashmir's residents. India also shut down the internet to put an end to anti-India protests in Kashmir. India annexed Kashmir to support development in the region. However, the Kashmir's officials said that the lockdown already cost the local community more than $2.5 billion. This is the end of our news for tonight. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.